West Texas could soon have to roll back its business occupancy limit again. Here's why. Our hospital region's COVID occupancy has been over that 15% threshold for 3 days in a row. Now, if it stays that high for another 4 days, that is when the rollbacks would happen. Dana Morris, he joins us now with a closer look.
Well, Tatum, the mark that local business owners would likely prefer to avoid is 7 consecutive days of COVID occupancy over 15% in our hospital region, as that would immediately trigger businesses having to go back to 50% occupancy. So here's a closer look at where we stand right now. As the vaccine rollout continues, the future is looking brighter regarding COVID-19. But during a unified command meeting for Midland County this morning, officials reiterated we aren't out of the water yet.
Our city's doing a great job. Our numbers are good, although there's pretty not necessarily great news about the region. Here in Midland, we're doing a great job, and that's because our citizens are doing a great job. Our businesses are doing a great job.
The region Mayor Payton referring to is Trauma Service Area J, one of 22 regions grouped across Texas by the Department of State Health Services. Region J, shown here, includes 17 counties, including Ector and Midland. And it's within this region that the total number of COVID patients is divided by total number of operational hospital beds. That gives us our COVID occupancy rate. Since Saturday, Region J has been over 15%.
Unfortunately, it's just a reminder that this COVID-19 is still out there. It's all over the country. There's many, it seems to be a little spotty sometimes. One area is getting hit really hard while another's not getting hit quite as hard. I understand that Odessa is getting a little bit harder hit right now than we are.
And officials are right, Ector County is having a harder time right now, while Midland County is seeing some success. Ector has been over 19% for 7 days and reached 23% yesterday, while Midland has remained under 15% for 6 out of the last 7 days.
It's a good reminder to us that our mitigation efforts do work. We have to continue them. We have to encourage our friends to continue them. But we are back on that path that could lead us to further restrictions as we hover just above the 15% mark as a region.
In fact, Region J would be under 15% without Ector County's numbers. Now, this rise in occupancy rates isn't all that surprising to health officials, as we are just coming out of the holiday season, but we're very close to avoiding a rollback. If we're able to just drop down 1% from where we are right now before Saturday, we would avoid that rollback for businesses. So we'll have to keep an eye on that right here on News West 9. Reporting in Ector County, Dana Morris.